Good day guys, this is Rob from Icebox, also bringing you today's install, which is on a Audi A7. This will fit the high and low version. So basically this is our MMI box, which has built-in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. As you can see, this is the actual original Audi screen on the screen itself, and all we do is hold down the Navi button, which is this one here, and it will then go into the MMI box. So what you do is you would basically use the command panel to navigate through the menus. So I'll just give you a little rundown of what it's got. Okay, this is your setup here, which basically allows you to change some of the back-end settings. So if we go back out to return, and then obviously you've got the HDMI, which obviously you know what that is. So this front camera here is for let me just double check one moment. Yeah, it can take a rear camera and also take a DVR camera. So if you wanted a DVR camera, this is obviously where it will go through. You can stick a rear camera to it today, which basically when you put your car into reverse, it will then show you what's behind you. Okay, this YouTube app here is obviously you would connect your Wi-Fi to it, and then you'll be able to access to YouTube. Here's your CarPlay here. This is your wide Android Auto. This is Mirror Link. This is the wireless Android Auto, and that's your USB. So if you want to put your music or anything on a pen drive, then you could do that. So I'm using Apple phone, so I'm just going to go into the CarPlay here. So obviously this is your back-end settings here, which is obviously show you how to connect settings, and this is where you'd pair all your devices down here, which is this is mine here. So I've just paired that with my phone, which is already done a search on it. So you will find in a moment that the CarPlay will start up. Just doing some navigation, some alerts on my phone just saying pair with the system. So as you can see, this is nice Audi A7 we have. So as you can see, this is the home page. For me to go back into the CarPlay, I will just press that. So there you go. You can see a lot of the applications that it brings through onto your phone. You still use your command here paddle to navigate through there. This is my DAB radio option. This is my WhatsApp, as you can see, calendar. And if I go to applications there, and you can have the map in full screen if you want. Okay, so I'll just bring it to an end. So if you've got any questions, just drop us a little message down below. If you need any information on our products or any other cars, Audis, BMW, Lexuses, Range Rovers, Land Rovers, we've got the MMI boxes for quite a lot of cars. So if you just drop us a little message, we'll get back to you as soon as you can. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.